Alright folks, this is just a short video. There's going to be a few pictures. It's showing you the Great Blizzard of 2016. Yes, we actually have snow. It's sticking to vehicles, sticking a little bit on the grass. Definitely some on the porch railing. Of course, you know, there's still water out there in the puddle. It's wet water, but yeah, the blizzard of 2016. Still seeing tiny little flakes fall. This is not something we normally see around here, so just thought I'd show you. Don't know what the temperature is. Don't much care. Going back inside now and might build a fire in the fireplace. Yeah. Blizzard.
Whoopsie. What do you think of that stuff? What's Murphy doing? Come on in.